you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2023 Jeep Compass Latitude Luxe in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 8,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 91089A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.